gave you money for it. Wasn't for me. You delivered it on box.
Yeah, they told that girl to leave her
I walked to the left and it's like, it's going in.
Oh, that one. Oh no, he ain't fast. That boy is fast. You ever seen this YouTuber really? You don't know what I mean by fast. When you the big with the ball, oh, you. Come on, Tony. Bag him. Get the kid in the head.
Anybody know how to race their ball?
Everybody
just
She wasn't. It's smart, right? I'll put on the front.
Come on, ball. That was no ball. No, not really. Come on, go ahead.
Good job!
Money just floats around this guy's
JJ, what do you want? I'm gonna eat chips. That was my dad. My scary dad. He's scary, isn't he? Yeah. I'm so scared.
The one with the Rugrats hat. Hey, like learn a good cheer. Exactly.
What? It's JJ.
I didn't say that. Yeah, Tony. Yeah, baby. Hurry up, Chris.
Are you stranded?
Come on, Tony.
Corey, it's JJ. Hi, Corey. Look at her. Corey, I want to talk to Corey.
All right, Tony, you want to talk about What the heck is she saying? Budgie, budgie. Hey! Hey, more free throws. Yeah,
Let's be low.
full timeout.
You're snazzy in that suit. Oh, that guy. Hey, Rob, what's up? Hey, little man, what? Come on, Jesse, Jesse. Hey, boy. One of his bucks is changing something. Yeah, Brad. That's what Clipper's like, come on, Cliff.
You're out of
like your suit. Shouldn't be playing.
Go, Devil!
She's so bratty, she had an ink brace on.
That's why you should have been in gym class.
Should have been sick that day.
Well, Alex should have been sick too, but no, he had to go high level for sure. Well, I need you. Hey, cheerleaders, hey, two cheerleaders. Except for see my sister? She smiles way too much. I hate it.
Oh, she walks me.
Who does? My sister.
Don't look at me
She's
like
like a
my
walk,
sister.
she's a pran.
Oh, yeah.
She's a
I'm gonna tell her that. I'm gonna tell her that. Alright, she already knows that.
I didn't see it.
What the heck? Cliff first! Come on, Cliff! You went after with a beautiful. You always gotta try to put some
She wasn't doing any moves. I don't just have to like Have you ever had
Turn the pitch to me. Why would you figure out, how could you figure out you can do that? Why would you do that? It's just like spare time and just decide to you see the elbow backwards? You sure? Don't breathe there. Breathe.
Yeah, that's it.
Wow.
Shit. I couldn't do that if I
Okay, let me start. I know. What's the first one? What's that first one?
I couldn't do it if...
Is that what you have to do? Or you're saying the States? Oh, I thought you were saying the States are the capital.
No. Oh my god. She said states.
Alabama. Who's the president?
You don't know some of them. You only know some of them.
Alabama. Alaska. Shut up. Alaska.
Come on, Mac, go Mac. Come on, you can do it.
No, I...
Name 5 states. New York State. Not including your own. Minnesota. Minnesota, Wisconsin. Ramsey.
mad now.
Did you know you took my spot? No, nobody talk. No, she doesn't.
What'd you figure out?
Popping that. Oh, you're wearing my shoes! I'm with
Holy crap! No, you didn't, Crystal. I thought of that. You don't remember me, George? I remember
Can't be beaten, then why is the score 37?
Our team hasn't come hot enough yet. We'll win still.
We're gonna have a comeback.
Yeah, we'll have a big comeback.
Yeah. They'll go from 13 to 37.
How much Number 30.
Shoot down! Come on, Chris! Wide open shot.
Come on, Blue!
Go, Red!
I like to chew on Big Red! It's like
Yeah, I'm just a big prep. I'm a prep. Bob Blue! Yeah, I'm a prep. Yeah, I suck at basketball.
Who made that big
It's fine.
to the ball? You guys, 52 ball. 52 ball. 52 ball. 52 ball. 55 ball, right? 55 ball. 55 ball.
Oh yeah. Oh my Let's rally!
Hey, we get 30 more. Hey, George, help you build it. Go on, run. Jordan! Whoa! Yeah, baby!
Go, Chris. Those cards will be
What is your problem, man? Hey, Bubba, knock it out.
Remember in music last year, we had to make a piano No. Dang, he's talking. He wants to deal with you tonight.
I got me involved. She's talking to you now. Well, you're my
Okay, you guys got it.
I can't see what you're doing.
I could have used that at the time off.
Oh, wants to say.
Kill it! Come on! H. Brad, deserves a rock.
Hey, that kid has my number. It's just kind of like, what? That kid has my number. Oh, you were serious? Number 20. Tony, push him.
They were down by 21 points. You can still do it. I wish I fell in math.
You have no more fighting.
You start feeling
To that kid.
You start feeling Are you? Big red, let's go. I see that. You shouldn't be talking.
Okay, how do you make a B?
I ain't sure.
Wait, no.
How do you make that?
Big what? A B. B.
I don't think they might beat them because they're winning. They're losing by 23. I think. No. Yeah. Yeah, I like it on Dave.
That's not that bad.
Will wait.
JJ's foot. Kina's foot. Okay, she's not.
Hey! I thought I told you to take those shoes off! Take David's shoes off! Okay, still wearing my shoes! David! Respect David's authority! I'm breaking.
Oh, bringing him to court.
Look at her. She wants you.
Shut up! I give you some Oh my God! That was a good choice. Yeah, a good choice to go out with you, but it's a bad choice.
There's a bicycle.
Mother, you Are you guys going out?
Oh, that's a dinger.
I'm not gonna heckle you on this one. You're probably gonna miss it.
Hey, baby!
I'll go last.
You don't want to hear that one.
Cookie Monster says that the speed bazaar, the great big cookie at the top of the jar. Cookie Monster says that the devil is on, the itsy bitsy crumbs at the bottom of the jar. Cookie Monster says that the speed bazaar, the great big cookie at the top of the jar. Cookie Monster says that the devil is on, the itsy bitsy crumbs at the bottom of the jar. We're class D. We're class double D. We don't care what you are.
David, this must no.
Listen, David, I don't talk with you. No. Listen, David, are you on? Oh, you just what you said. What? I said you guys I do not comprehend. What was that look for, Chris? What was that look for?
I make funny.
I wouldn't doubt it that I don't.
Sitting there. All you do is laughing at the most jokes by going.
I have lots of English. He has lots of
You guys sit back there. You sit there cracking dumbish jokes. You crack the dumbish jokes.
You're a typical college student. You're not even over there.
We should do a late show.
Oh my god. Yeah, I was thinking 2 hours of attention on Mr. Mole. And then you told someone to say Mr. Mole again. Actually,
Did I serve him? Did I serve him?
You're dumb enough to say it.
Always sing.
Oh, he said, good job.
You can't call him Mo. You call him.
What do you think of math? A 40 to... You getting idiot.
A 60 something. That's still bad, man. You're getting 90. Stacy's getting 32. Well, no, I'm getting 90 in science. And you're getting 95. You're getting geography. 93. You're getting